Sanibonani, dumelang molweni, shafukunjani. This is through Pastor Siskhalinda kanjani. Lami igama Siboniso Sizo wakwamnikathi Sibongo, and I'm not by myself. Ngihamba no.
The plumber of all node.
Plumber of notes. Kila. Awusasheshe because
Hey, ngiseduze Mike, angifuni ukubulala la. Ngiyoze ngipenalize.
if this is your first time here, please do subscribe, usikhombise uthando, share, utshele nabakazi ukuthi we are here esikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. And speaking of okungaphathwa abaningi, namhlanje siphethe the greatest of all features of the PSL. They say it's not the biggest one, but it's the best one.
Yeah.
It's not the biggest because there's a sort of derby. It has a greater history, but this one is the best because it produces goals and the football is insane. So please do subscribe, share, channel about you. We are here. Tell us, uzizwa kanjani ngale future? Or let us ask Kumpel. How do you feel about this game today?
Oh. It reminds me of the last two games, 2 to 3 games that they've played.
Yeah.
No winner on record time. So even this one, I'm feeling that we'll see a draw on these teams. That's the first thing. Second thing, I can't wait to see the game because the stadium will be full. It will be exciting. The players, they will always want to prove the point. Sundowns is under pressure because they need to close that gap that is on that has been opened by Pirate while Sundowns was busy playing the Champions League. So Pirate is on form. Pirate is on song. Sundowns, you can't trust Sundowns because Sundowns today will do this, then tomorrow will do this. But other than that, very excited for the future. I know everybody will be. This result will have many talking points. If Sundowns win, there will be many talking points. If Pirate win, there will be many talking points too. Because even Pirate would be saying, no, there is no way that we can lose the league while we're leading with 9 points. And then on the other side, Sundowns would be saying, no, if we close the gap, and then it would be very good for a competition, and the Pirate will also feel the pressure. And then whenever they play other games, they have to win at all cost. So it will be very exciting, and also this type of football, because these are two South African giants that are on form. And then the one that have many players that are representing the national team because they share 90% of the national team. So it will be very exciting, and psychologically, I think the players are ready. I don't think because we once saw at the Paris team that they are always talking about Sundowns. Whenever they do, as a part of motivation, they motivate them that normally to beat Sundowns. And also looking at the past weekend, I've seen the players, Sundowns players, when they won the game at all cost. They fight. So I'm happy that they are meeting these teams because it means we're going to be seeing the crack of the game. And also, I'm also expecting the yellow cards. And the yellow cards there because there will be a lot of combats. There will be
possible red card.
No, I don't see.
You're only seeing the yellow.
Unless there is OPAS. Yeah. Once there is
I'm
OPAS.
not party the OPAS.
I know. Yeah, once there is OPAS, but it will be just a crack of the game because I want to see what is Makgopa is going to do. I want to see what is Morem is going to do. I want to see Mfukeng because Mfukeng has been getting many of the matches day in, day out, week in, week out. So I want to see how will they perform about for Van Rowen, about Mbata, about Makawula. I want to see because now they've been starting Undaba at the left back. I want to see Ilokozana center pairing is sometimes going to be able to expose Indaba Kasibisi or not. Then we'll see obviously will be on Lokozana. I want to see Ushayin if Sundowns it happens that they get a penalty. I want to see his mind games. But although I still feel that this game will be a draw, they will just cancel each other because usually when
that's good for Makos.
Yeah, you can say that, because what I'm expecting is that first half, maybe Pirate is stronger than Sundowns. Then second half, Sundowns will be stronger than the Pirate. But I still feel that will be a draw. And also, I'm looking at is Sundowns. Nakon, I'm expecting, we want to see what does the coach do. Does he bring back Abo Resino, Nabo Santos, or he continue with the team that played very well on the Champions League? So I want to see all those things.
Yeah, we're definitely going to see. We're definitely going to see all those things as it unfolds, But you count a lot of things. You say a lot of things coming to this game. Pirates is on form. They're on song. They're playing very well. And as we speak, there is a 6 points gap. Yes, Sundown still has a game in hand, but there is a 6 point gap, which anything can happen. Anything can happen. And Mamelodi Sundowns wants to do this catch-up game, and they're also coming from the win, the CAF Champions League, which motivated a lot of players, and players are highly motivated going toward this game. And as you saw, they played very well. And I think the fixture that took place yesterday, the draw, the CAF Champions League, also brought some spirit as well. We saw Ronwen Williams talking about that. They've been having problems at the team, but they talked about it. They unpacked everything, and now they are ready to go. So, looking at all those things and what you've just mentioned, that the coach of Orlando Pirates have always been saying, all the time, emphasizing, hey, Sundowns. We cannot have a team that is dominating us for such a long time. We need to do something about Sundowns. So going to this game and looking at the players and the lineup, how do you see the lineup?
Yeah, I've already said the lineup of Ilokozani Pirate. It's just that now I need to see lineup of the Sundowns, of which I wish. That's my wish, but I know the coach will do the way he likes or the way he always prefers.
The Cardoso way.
Yes, he always have the privilege of having the final say. Yes, you may wish when we are outside, but Leon will be starting. Obvious, Matthews will be starting.
Yeah.
And then I have a feeling that, okay, maybe Tapelo Mrena will also be starting. I'm sure Uresino will be there. Obvious, so about Tabazando will come at the second half, and then I wonder if they can continue with the Adams no Mkwen la would perfect, because Adams is very good these days. Oh, that deep lying play, man. That guy has to work very hard for him to come back to his normal play. He's plays even more than the way he was playing at Stellenbosch. Now you could see that the guy is motivated.
Revived.
Yeah.
I said to him on Instagram, he posted a picture there in his last game, and I said, ever since Mbongodo, you're a beast. And he like that.
Doesn't even understand.
Do you know Mbongodo? You probably know Mbongodo. The problem good is
yeah, and then only back four, I think Umoteba Dumta will be there, and then I think Undamane, Grant Kekan will be there. Obvious Williams will be the one that is doing his things. Yeah. So on the other side, they might expose to Spacey. On this other side, the Grant will make a mistake. On the other side, Space will make a mistake. Then it will be 1-1.
These mistakes, how? Why?
Hey, I'm telling you,
these mistakes. I'm trying to look for what coach said. No, there's only what Coach Wadu said. The Santos coach didn't they have a press conference about this game today? It's only Coach Wadu that is here.
The press conference happened the day before. It doesn't happen on the day.
And then it's supposed to have happened yesterday.
Maybe we didn't check well.
I'm checking, yeah. There's nothing. I only see Coach Wadu talking. I don't know. Yeah, but it's going to be very interesting. I wanted to play ukuthi coach bona bayibona kanjani, and but I can't find anything here. But what I know for sure it's going to be yes something
weeks ago we already started to have the game in our mind. Even we were focused in the
2 weeks ago. They had this game on their mind. They're playing all these games and they're thinking about Sundowns.
And that's why Pirates have been winning by 2-3 goals. They've been winning with high margins, and because every player wants to be to be on that game.
In Marumo gallant match as well, but we prepared well mentally, physically. Of course, we played a few days ago, and now it's only regeneration for in our side. And tomorrow we are
Basically, coach is saying they are mentally and physically fit for Sundowns, and they can't wait for this game to take place. Because if they win, I think they are cementing that place in the championship.
Yeah, they're cementing the place.
And if they win today and they beat Kaizer Chiefs, it's over.
Nah, I don't want to say it's over.
It's over.
You know.
Come on.
Let me tell you. The league. It's not about how you start, but it's about how.
But we're not at the starting point, man.
No,
we're in the middle.
Yes, we're in the middle. But you know what's more important? It's these last 7 games. Last 7 games. If you win all your last 7 games, definitely you're taking the league. You win the last 7 games because everything will be decided there. Now, still game number 16, 17, anything can still happen. Injuries may come. Maybe serious suspensions, they may come along the way. Sundowns is busy with DKF now. They can be having a heavy schedule. At least Pirates is always a well-rested team. And then their fixtures, they are always being postponed. So, but we will see.
Well, angisenawo amaningi azodecide.
But you know that I'm talking about the facts. You know.
I don't know anything. Angizange nomuntu lokufakaza ngamathi you know. Ama-tickets are not sold out as yet. I'm not saying ama-tickets, go buy tickets and be at F&B Stadium. People have been saying, if this was Kaizer Chiefs, these
but
tickets
it's because it's midweek, you know what? Because
but even if it's midweek, if it was Kaizer Chiefs, ngabasephelile ama-tickets.
I've never seen a sold out of Kaizer Chiefs that is on midweek. But you can say whatever you like. But I don't remember a sold out on a midweek.
I have seen it.
When?
Babylon Sundowns.
Sold out?
Yeah.
Midweek?
Yeah.
At night?
Yes.
Hey, you lying.
I was buzzing.
Aye.
Well, Laleland, we are out of here and we're going to be watching a game with you. We'll come back after the game and analyze. Game. But for now, tell us on your score on the comments, because Umpela is trying to be safe. He's talking about Lamadro and wena ubona kanjani qobe sikuzoba yini? Uthe bit draw
1-1.
Okay. Please do subscribe, share and tell others that we are here. And sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. From mina mfana kamnika Thukapelo uCozo Chambana maqhuqumele enhlangene ngithi mina iyawine ngazobona lethe. Sho. Hayi.